So let's take a minute and talk about naming. You'll notice that when I have these measures here, that they have very long names. And the reason for that is in Power BI Desktop, when you publish your PBIX file, you typically do that to the Power BI portal. In the Power BI portal, your data model can then be used by other people to create other Power BI reports. Because of that, it's really important that you keep your names clear, that you avoid abbreviations, and then if you're doing anything funny in there, like in total sales beverages, I'm using calculate to override the filter context so that category name always equals beverages, that your name clearly says that total sales beverages. So when you name anything, even if you name columns or you import data from other systems, go ahead and rename it using the query editor and make things have spaces, make them a little longer, make them very easy to see what you're doing there. And what you'll do is you'll create a positive experience for your users so that they will know when they use your measures and your columns exactly what they're doing. Hopefully that helps you. Thanks. Have a great day.
And finally, this is how you can get a hold of me if you need to. There's my Twitter and my email address, and of course my YouTube channel if you want to subscribe and get more videos on DAX and Power Apps and data engineering and cloud data and other things that interest me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Have a great day.